All right, guys, another thing that I find out is that the roller blind has a little metal coil that coils it when it retracts, but it goes into a channel in the rail. That little channel right there. That one there, where my nail is. So it has to go in here, and it needs to go in that channel. Like that. And then of course you screw it to the cable here. The cable piece that you screw on would be here. And then, like I say, this one slides in and it goes into that channel there. Make sure you grease it up as well. So it'll go something like this. There. I'm going to be programming the sunroof and the sunshade. I already replaced the sunshade. The sunroof needs programming. I will be using the Autel Scanner to relearn the functions of the sunroof and close the sunshade. And that's it. I think it's programmed. I'm going to try it out and see what happens. Oh, that's closing the sunshade. Beautiful. That's opening. Tilt, it's working. And fully open. It's working. There it is. Close it. Wow. fully open. There it is. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.